Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kaninong area yung mainit na issue ito sa publiko na walang silbi daw yung pulis? Ang tanong, Mr. Chair, dahil may paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants, kinasuhan po ba ng pulis o hindi?
Umayos ka. Otherwise, I'll move to cite you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung mayor nga namin, nasa bikutan na. Yung mayor na sinight namin in contempt. Hindi na dito kinukulong. Doon na sa bikutan.
Yes, Your Honor.
So nakita po ninyo yung present nating video. Mayroon po ba dong violation sa reckless driving?
Yes, Your Honor. There's, under the traffic part of the 4136.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
And napansin po ba ninyo yung gaano kalalakas yung kanilang auxiliary lights?
Yes, Your Honor. So that's why we listed the possible violations, reckless, speeding, and illegal modification.
So, in the event na may magre-request uli sa inyo, maiisip po ba, Mr. Chair, ng LTO na dapat definitely i-deny nyo yung request? Tama po ba, Mr. Chair? In compliance with Republic Act 4136.
Your Honor, under Republic Act 4136, there are no particular provisions on the authority of LTO to regulate the conduct of races.
Yes, yes. Pero, siyempre, pag magaling kang mag-isip, o gusto natin sabihin na walang authority ang LTO to regulate yung mga ganong event. So, papayagan nyo. Pag nag-coordinate, then babantayan nyo na lang. Pag nag-violate, saka nyo huhulinin. Yung po ba ang gusto ninyo sabihin?
Your Honor, we conduct these operations to apprehend violations of traffic rules and regulation on a regular basis, even if it's not part of the conduct of a race or this kind of activity. We still conduct the operation to implement the provisions of Republic Act 4136, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko bang tanungin yung boss, nung kayo po ba nag-request or nag-coordinate sa PNP, meron po bang somebody na nag-assist sa inyo o kayo lang talaga, boss officers?
Mr. Chairman, I would like to be clarified kung ano po yung nag-assist.
Alam niyo po, hindi madali na magpalabas ng directive or instruction from the higher headquarters to assist your event. Ibig sabihin, ang tanong ko po, meron po bang somebody from the government or government officials na nag-assist sa inyo para ma-approve to or ma-assist kayo, boss, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chairman, wala pong nag-assist sa amin whatsoever. Yung amin pong letter, dahil ako po yung personal na
So
gumawa
kayo
ng
po
sulat,
talaga?
dinala po sa Office of the Chief PNP.
Your Honor,
Yes. Thank you, Mr.
LTO, hindi ko makuha yung kasagutan po ninyo sa tanong ni Honorable Busita eh. Sabi nyo, nowhere in RA 4136 does it state na kayo po ang may control dun sa mga ganitong event. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, pero sinabi nyo po kanina na sumulat po yung boss sa inyo and then you acted on it. As a matter of fact, you sent them a letter to cease and desist. Di ba? And then, nag-file ang boss ng motion for reconsideration, pinayagan nyo na. Ni-rescind nyo yung una nyong order for them to desist. To cease and desist. Di mo ba? So, what was the basis of your action? With your statement that nowhere under Republic Act 4136 does it state na pakialaman nyo yun?
Your Honor, the basis of LTO is an anonymous complaint that was sent to the Office of the President and it was referred to LTO. LTO conducted an investigation and based on that, LTO found in the initial order, Your Honor, the decision of LTO was based on the aspect of negligence as a proximate cause of this road crash. In the appeal, this is where there was an appeal, Your Honor.
Sandali lang, Director. Ito pa lang yung umpisa na pag-request ng boss sa inyo.
They, as far as I know, Your Honor, there's no particular request of boss, but the action of LTO is based on anonymous complaint that was
Kasasabi
referred to
lang ng
LTO.
boss kanina na nakipag-coordinate sila sa LTO eh. Are you denying that boss did not coordinate even with your office? When in fact, the president of boss stated a while ago that they coordinated first sa inyong opisina?
The coordination, that's why I mentioned a while ago, Your Honor, that the coordination might be for the lifting of the cease and desist order that was earlier issued.
No.
Because that was issued in 2023, Your Honor.
That's
And
not
the-
my understanding with the statement of the president of BOSS. May we qualify or clarify from Mr. Tan? Ano po ba yung tenor ng request nyo dito po sa LTO?
LTO, right? Para doon sa event. Di po ba?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I have to check
Okay.
on my record.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Boss, meron kayong coordination sa LTO, di po ba?
Mr. Chairman, opo, meron po.
Yung coordination po ba nyo, ano ang tema? Siyempre, hindi kayo humingi ng, ano ba, humingi kayong permit or assistance or ano po?
Yung una po naming sulat is informing the Land Transportation Office of the event.
So, in-inform lang po ninyo. Tama po.
Yes, sir. Kasi ang nasa amin po kasi, ang position po kasi namin doon sa naging reversal noong o granting nung motion for reconsideration na nagsasabi po na we can proceed with the conduct of Boss Ironman Challenge. Sa kanila, yun naman po ay posisyon ng LTO. Hindi na po namin inulit yung sa sulat namin na kami ay humihingi ng permiso.
Tama po.
Opo.
Pero sinasabi po, you can proceed with your event. Tama po?
Doon po sa desisyon nila sa reversal
Yes,
ng...
Mr. Chair. Hindi lang literal na permit, pero pinayagan po kayo. In other words, kaya hindi sila nag-operate against your event. Same with PNP. Mr. Chair, sa PNP, nagbaba ng directive ang DO, Directorate for Operations, to assist boss doon sa challenge nila sa event. So, same with LTO. Kaya po talagang may mali Mr. Chair. HPG, para sa inyo po ba may violations yung event? Wala.
No, on the part of the HPG, sir, not the event, but there are violations committed by the riders.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, dahil may instruction sa iyo, i-assist ninyo, wala na kayong ginawang panghuhuli doon. Tama po.
I will check our record, sir. But
No, wag mo na i-check, Mr. Chair. Hindi nga kayo nang huli. By the way, Mr. Chair, i-connect ko lang po sa HPG. Yung nakita po ninyo na yung dalawang participants in the presence of police officer, ginulpi nila yung private individuals. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kaninong area yon, jurisdiction? Is it true na ito ay nasa AOR ng Region 3, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, sir, Police Colonel Ogay may be recognized, sir. Sir, it is in the area of Region 3, sir, specifically at the province of Zambales, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, may ginawa po bang paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants ng Boss Ironman Challenge?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir, they were filed, a case was filed against them for the disobedience to an agent of a personal authority, reckless imprudence, resulting in physical injuries and damage to property. Yun lang, sir.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong linawin kasi mainit na issue ito sa publiko na walang silbi daw yung pulis. Ang tanong, Mr. Chair, dahil may paglabag sa batas yung dalawang participants, kinasuhan po ba ng pulis o hindi?
So it was filed in court, sir, in the prosecutor's office, sir.
Okay, yung pulis po, inaresto ba nila yung riders?
Hindi po, sir, because nag-iisa po yung pulis, sir, at that time because yung strike nila, sir, kukunti lang sila and napakalawak po yung coverage. They were spread thinly, sir. Kaya hindi po nila kaagad na naaresto yung mga participants na nakasuhan, sir, dahil bigla na lang sumakay sa motor, then tuloy po sa racer.
So may kaso na.
May kaso na po, sir.
Mr. Chair, kung pwede lang may submit po ng Region 3 yung documents na talagang sinampan nila ito ng kaso, itong dalawang riders, itong dalawang participants.
Huwag kalilimutang mag-like at i-click ang subscribe button para updated ka sa pinaka-bagong balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Salamat!